Building a rustic headboard is a significant endeavor that can profoundly elevate the decor of any bedroom. This piece of furniture not only serves a practical purpose, but also acts as a focal point that can transform the overall aesthetic of the space. The charm of rustic design lies in its ability to blend natural materials with a warm, inviting ambience, creating an atmosphere that feels both cozy and sophisticated. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of a rustic headboard design ideas to elevate your bedroom decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. At its core, a rustic headboard is a celebration of craftsmanship and the beauty of natural wood. Each piece is unique, often featuring knots, grains, and variations in color that tell a story of its origin. This individuality adds character to the bedroom, making it a personal sanctuary that reflects the homeowner's taste and style. Unlike mass-produced furniture, a handcrafted headboard embodies a sense of authenticity that resonates deeply with those who value uniqueness in their living spaces. The significance of a rustic headboard extends beyond its visual appeal. The materials used, often reclaimed wood or rough-hewn timber, carry an inherent connection to nature, fostering a sense of tranquility. In a world that can often feel chaotic and overwhelming, creating a peaceful retreat at home is essential for mental well-being. A rustic headboard serves as a reminder of the beauty found in simplicity and the natural world, encouraging a lifestyle that prioritizes comfort and serenity. In addition to its aesthetic and emotional benefits, a rustic headboard serves a functional purpose. It provides support for pillows and can help define the bed as the central piece of furniture in the room. This delineation helps to create a sense of order and organization within the space. When designed thoughtfully, a rustic headboard can enhance the overall functionality of the bedroom, making it a more enjoyable place to relax and unwind. The process of building a rustic headboard can also be a rewarding creative endeavor. For those who choose to undertake this project, it offers an opportunity to engage with materials and techniques that resonate with their personal style. Whether it's selecting the right wood, deciding on the finish, or incorporating additional design elements like shelves or decorative accents, the act of crafting a headboard allows for self-expression. This hands-on approach imbues the final product with a sense of pride and ownership, transforming the headboard into more than just a piece of furniture. It becomes a reflection of the creator's personality and values. Moreover, incorporating a rustic headboard into bedroom decor can complement various design styles, from farmhouse chic to modern minimalism. Its versatility allows it to blend seamlessly with different aesthetics, making it an excellent choice for those looking to refresh their space without a complete overhaul. By pairing a rustic headboard with contemporary bedding or accessories, homeowners can create a striking contrast that highlights the best of both worlds. This ability to harmonize with various styles adds to the headboard's significance as a timeless piece that can evolve with changing trends. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The emotional connection that people establish with their living spaces cannot be overlooked. A rustic headboard, often rich in texture and history, evokes feelings of nostalgia and warmth. It can remind individuals of simpler times, family gatherings, or cherished memories spent in cozy settings. This emotional resonance enhances the overall experience of the bedroom, transforming it into a haven for rest and rejuvenation. When one feels a connection to their surroundings, it fosters a greater sense of belonging and comfort, which is essential for creating a peaceful sleeping environment. Another significant aspect of a rustic headboard is its potential for customization. Homeowners can tailor the design to suit their preferences and needs, whether that involves choosing specific wood types, finishes, or incorporating personal touches like carvings or paint. This customization fosters a deeper connection to the piece, as it becomes a reflection of the owner's style and identity. The ability to personalize furniture allows individuals to curate their spaces in a way that feels authentic and meaningful. In the context of sustainable living, Building a rustic headboard from reclaimed materials also highlights the importance of eco-friendly practices. As more individuals become aware of the environmental impact of consumer choices, opting for recycled or salvaged would not only reduces waste, but also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. This commitment to sustainability echoes a growing trend among consumers who prioritize ethical sourcing and environmentally conscious design. By choosing to create a rustic headboard from reclaimed materials, homeowners can make a statement about their values while enhancing their living spaces. Furthermore, the act of crafting a rustic headboard can serve as a valuable bonding experience for families or couples. Working together on a project fosters teamwork and communication, allowing individuals to share ideas and collaborate on a shared vision. This process can strengthen relationships and create lasting memories as they transform their bedroom together. The headboard becomes a symbol of their collective effort, representing not only a piece of furniture, but also the values of cooperation and creativity that define their relationship. The significance of building a rustic headboard also lies in its potential to influence the overall atmosphere of the bedroom. The right headboard can set the tone for the entire space, creating an environment that promotes relaxation and comfort. Its presence can invite warmth and coziness, encouraging individuals to unwind at the end of a long day. A well-designed rustic headboard acts as an anchor for the room, drawing the eye and creating a sense of cohesion that enhances the overall decor. The significance of building a rustic headboard extends far beyond its functional role in the bedroom. It embodies a commitment to craftsmanship, sustainability, and personal expression, elevating the decor while fostering a deeper connection to the living space. By incorporating natural materials and unique design elements, a rustic headboard transforms the bedroom into a sanctuary that reflects the owner's values and style. Whether through the emotional resonance it evokes, the creative process involved in its construction, or its ability to harmonize with various design aesthetics, a rustic headboard stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of thoughtful, handcrafted furniture. In a world increasingly defined by mass production, the significance of such a piece is both profound and enduring, reminding us of the beauty found in authenticity and the art of making. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked a rustic headboard design ideas to elevate your bedroom decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.